Directions. Find the word or words with the same meaning as the underlined word. Circle the letter next to the answer. Number 1. The people staged a rebellion against the king. A joyful festival, a peaceful protest, a petty argument, armed uprising. Remember that you can pause at any time so that you can answer it and then press play when you're ready to hear the next question. Number 2, I did not want to join the Confederacy. League, team, journey, company. Number 3, the winning athletes basked in glory. Victory, warm water, honor, love. The workers formed a union for their mutual protection. Collection, alliance, gathering, marriage. I offered the stallion an apple. Horse, dog, rooster, bull. I slung my canteen over my shoulder. Pouch that holds water, suitcase that holds clothing, purse that holds money, briefcase that holds papers. The twins began to quarrel. Play, sing, argue, sleep. Directions. Find the word or words with the same meaning as the underlined word. Circle the letter next to your answer. Number 8. The exchange student received a visa. Airline ticket, photo book, birthday card, passport stamp. Number 9. You should not disguise your true feelings. Expose, confuse, dress up, conceal. Number 10. Have you been to the new restaurant in town? A place to eat, a place to sleep, a place to shop, a place to rest. Number 11. That is a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Color, arrangement, field, painting. Number 12. We kept the seashell from the beach as a souvenir. Example, choice, memento, gift. For these next ones, you should have read the story first. Remember that you can find all the answers to the question in the story. You want to make sure that you're highlighting your answers so that you can make sure that you have the correct ones. Stop in between every question, press the stop button, and find your answers. Highlight it. Remember, the highlighters are going to be in the box above the white drawers. Number 13. Which event takes place first? Sylvia goes on a trip to the Indian Ocean. Sylvia goes to college. Sylvia has a family. Sylvia designs a submarine. Number 14. The information presented in this passage is mainly organized for comparing and contrasting in chronological order, by cause and effect, with main ideas and support. Number 15. Why did the author include paragraph 4 in the passage? To show why Sylvia Earle began studying sperm whales, to show where Sylvia Earle went to college, to show how Sylvia Earle began doing scientific research, to show when Sylvia Earle started working for the National Geographic Society. Number 16. How did Dr. Earle earn the nickname Her Deepness? By walking on the ocean floor and diving in a submarine? By studying sea life? By teaching people about the ocean? By following whales from New Zealand to Alaska? In which decade did Sylvia help design a small submarine? 1950s, 1960s, 1970s, or 1980s? In what year did Sylvia Earle live underwater for 2 weeks? 1935, 1964, 1970, or 1979? Number 19, what made Sylvia different from most other scientists who went on research trips in the 1960s? She was a woman and had young children. She had always been curious about ocean life. She worked for the National Geographic Society. She was from Florida. And last but not least, number 20, when did Sylvia set a record for depth in undersea walking? 1952, 1964, 1979, or 1982? Once you've answered all of your questions, go ahead and put it into Pearson Student. Write your test or your percentage on the top of your test and turn it into the basket. If you get a percentage below a 70, you will need to do the retake.